Hey everyone, Chef Cherie here, chef and owner of Global Love Catering and Personal Chef. Welcome to day one of the 12 days of Christmas. If you're not following me here on Facebook and this is your first time seeing me, hello, I'm Personal Chef Cherie Hunter. Make sure you're following me here on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram as chef_Cherie. I'm also on LinkedIn as Cherie Hunter. Make sure you use the hashtags, hashtag Chef Cherie, hashtag Global Love Catering. On today, we're going to be talking about pantry reset. Now, if your pantry is anything like mine, come the holiday season, everything gets awry. Now, I've done a pantry video on pantry staples and how my pantry is set up. Now, please don't be intimidated by my pantry. Remember, I am a chef. I am a personal chef. So my pantry is well stocked. I have a lot of spices, a lot of different ingredients, a lot of things that I like to keep on hand. So, when I turn the camera around and show you my pantry, please understand, your pantry is not going to look like mine. It does not have to. You have your staples, you have the things that you use, and I have the things that I like to keep on hand. Now, if you want to start expanding your spices, expanding the ingredients that you keep on hand, okay. But remember, you don't have to go out and get everything that I have and make your pantry look like mine. Okay? So, let's take a look at my pantry. Let me turn the camera around. This is the pantry, and it's a mess. It's the end of the year, and I hosted Thanksgiving, so everything is a mess. It's awry, okay? It looks completely awry. And that's okay. Because in the month of December, what I like to do is do a complete pantry reset. Now, what do I mean by a pantry reset? Exactly what it sounds like. I like to go through my pantry, shelf by shelf, and I go through each thing. Now, remember, everything in your pantry, every canned good, every spice, everything has an expiration date. Therefore, come December, I go through my pantry with a fine-tooth comb and I check and I go through every ingredient, every jar, every canned good, every spice, and I check the expiration date. Now, this is a jar of Asian style soup base. It's a powder. This has a use by date of 2024. It's still good. So I know this soup base can go back on the shelf. Penne pasta. It's in a box. And its expiration date is, whoop, almost dropped it, 2024. So it's still good. I will go through each and everything, even if I've already opened it, like this rice. Now this rice has December 12th, 2023. So it's still good. But I will go through each and everything, even my spices. Now, This particular spice is okay because this is actually an Indian spice that I mixed up myself this year. So I know this is still good. But I know come this time next year, if I have any left, which I shouldn't, it will be no good. Because once you make spice mix, it will roughly only stay good 6 months to a year if you grind and mix it yourself. Now, let's say this is a store-bought spice mix. And this one, let's see, where are you? Has an expiration date of December. See, it looks like 2023. So, this one is still good. I haven't used this one. This is a Greek seasoning with feta. It is really good. So, but everything in your cabinet, everything in your pantry has an expiration date. And at the end of every year, sometimes I do it every 6 months. It just depends. But at the end of every year, you should be going through your spices and your canned goods because you don't want to get sick. You don't want to cause anyone else to get sick. So, going through your pantry, going through your spices is a must, at least once a year. Even your season packs, your McCormick season packs, everything has an expiration date. Sometimes it takes a minute to find the expiration date on your package. And sometimes it's not actually printed. You're going to have to really look. Because like with this packet, this one is actually stamped on the package. Let me turn the camera around. This one is hard to tell, but it's actually stamped. And this expiration date is 2024. So this one is actually still good. So taking your time to really look for the expiration date. Now, this is a Chinese sweet and sour spare ribs season pack. And the majority of the it is it has some instructions in Japanese. And it has it in English as well. But like I said, not all of your expiration dates are going to be printed. Like this one was stamped. So take the time and look on your packages to see and find the expiration date. Because not all of them are printed. This one was stamped. But trust me, everything has an expiration date. And sometimes you just have to take the time and look and find it. And when in doubt, throw it out. If you know you've had a seasoning for a while, or you can't remember how long you've had it, open it up. Give it a smell. If it does not quite smell like what it's supposed to smell like, then throw it out. Because if the spice has lost its smell, if it doesn't smell like cinnamon, then it has gone bad. If it doesn't quite smell like rosemary, it's not as potent, then it's lost its flavor. Remember, a healthy pantry leads to a healthy you. Keeping your pantry with fresh ingredients, not expired ingredients, will make for a healthier you. I'm Personal Chef Cherie Hunter from Global Love Catering, and I'm wishing you a happy holidays and a happy new year. This is day 1 of the 12 days of Christmas. Stay tuned for the other 11 days. Remember, follow me here on Facebook, also on Instagram at chef_Cherie, and on LinkedIn as Cherie Hunter. Make sure you use the hashtag Chef Cherie, hashtag Global Love Catering, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Get those pantries organized and reset for the new year. You reset and set goals for yourself. Now, let's reset our pantries as well. I want to see your pantry reset. Let's post a before and after picture of your pantry reset, and I'll post mine as well. Until tomorrow, be blessed.